Flexera Software Review. Is it worth it? If you're in IT asset management or software license optimization, you've probably heard of Flexera. It's not just a buzzword. Flexera has earned a solid reputation with a 4.4-star rating from over 680 reviews, and it's used by companies ranging from mid-size firms to Fortune 500 giants. What is Flexera? Flexera offers SaaS-based IT management solutions that help organizations gain visibility and control over their hybrid IT environments, on-premise, cloud, and everything in between. Key products include FlexNet Manager, Flexera One, and the Snow License Manager, post-acquisition of Snow Software. Its core strength? Helping businesses optimize software spend, maintain license compliance, and manage SaaS and on-prem assets efficiently. Pros: powerful discovery tools. Oracle Glass. Discovery is a standout. Automated scans for Oracle license usage with just a click. Strong integration capabilities, smooth with tools like ServiceNow, SCCM, and cloud services. AWS, Azure. Mature SAM features. FlexNet Manager and Flexera One provide deep insights into software positioning, usage, and risks. Responsive support, mostly. Many reviewers praise customer support, though some note slower response for advanced cases. Cons: can be pricey, especially for smaller organizations. Learning curve. It's a feature-rich platform, which can be overwhelming at first. Mixed management? Feedback. Employees cite great culture, but also occasional concerns about top-down decisions and PE influence. Key features: software asset management, SAM, cloud cost. Optimization, license, compliance monitoring, software position, establishment, and optimization. SaaS subscription tracking, integration with CMDB and ITSM tools. Who should use Flexera? Flexera is ideal for large enterprises with complex software environments, government or education sectors looking for compliance, IT procurement or SAM teams focused on cost reduction, organizations with hybrid cloud plus on-prem infrastructure. Final thoughts. Flexera isn't the cheapest or simplest option, but it's arguably one of the most powerful tools in the IT asset management game. If you've got a big IT footprint and care about license compliance, cost control, and vendor management, it's a serious contender.